MCQ number 31. How many vertebrae are present in lumbar region? 5. Option 5 is correct. MCQ number 32. Which of the following bones are present in pectoral girdle? Option C. Both A and B is correct. MCQ number 33. A joint formed between humerus and radius and ulna is example of freely movable joints. Option C is correct. The joint between two parietal bones which is in fact immovable one is an example of fibrous joint. Option A is correct. Fibrous joints. MCQ number 35. Fibrous capsules surrounding synovial joints may be thickened at some places to form ligaments. Option B is correct. Ligaments. MCQ number 36. In which of the following joint muscles are arranged in same plane as that of a joint between femur and tibia? Option D is correct. MCQ number 37. Which of the following hormone is predominantly responsible for bone weakening in old women? Estrogen. Option B is correct. 38. Which of the following is childhood disease resulting from nutritive Ca2 plus deficiency? Rickets. Option C is correct. Rickets. Which of the following statement about osteoporosis is incorrect? They are reduction of bone mass and change in chemical composition of matrix is incorrect about osteoporosis. MCQ number 40. Which of the following statement about fractures in old age is incorrect? Due to good blood supply, it results in quick healing is incorrect about fracture. MCQ number 41. If two ends of fractured bone are open and kept united via screws and wires drilled in bone substances, this step fracture repair is called open reduction. Option A is correct. Open reduction. MCQ number 42. A fracture hematoma has dead cells. Option D. Dead cells. 43. Which of the following cells are involved in soft callus formation? Fibroblast and osteoblast. Option A is correct. MCQ number 44. Bony callus formation completes in 2 to 3 months. Option C is correct. 2 to 3 months. Which of the following is a uninucleated cell? A smooth muscle cell. Option A is correct. A smooth muscle cells. MCQ number 46. Contraction of which of the following muscles fiber is controlled by hormones? A smooth muscles. Option A is correct. (47) Why skeletal muscles are called striated muscles? They are altering dark and light bands appearing on their surface when visualized via microscope. Option C is correct for 47. Which of the following statement is incorrect about skeletal muscle fiber? They contain oxygen storing molecules called hemoglobin is correct about this. 49. A smallest contractile unit of muscle contraction called sarcomere is area between two Z lines. Option C is correct. Z line. A diameter of thick filament is 16 nm. MCQ number 51. The most important function of troponin is all of these: to bind with actin, to bind with tropomyosin, to bind with calcium ions. MCQ number 52. If a cross section of sarcoma is seen, each myosin is surrounded by how many actin molecules? 6 actin molecules. What happened during muscle contraction to length of each myosin and actin fiber? Zeal and get closer is a correct option. MCQs number 54. Which of the following steps occur immediately after binding of calcium ion with troponin molecules during muscle contraction? Tropomyosin get removed from binding sites of actin filament is a correct option. MCQs number 55. Rigor mortis stiffening of body after death result from option B, unavailability of ATP which necessary to break the link between actin and myosin. MCQ number 56. Which of the following statement about fatigue is correct? All of above. Major event in an accumulation of lactic acid accumulation turns pH in acidic large range leading to muscle age and ion imbalance may also cause. All of above is correct. Tetany is caused by hypocalcemia. Option A is correct. Which one of the following is an example of non-elastic connective tissue? Tendon. Option B is correct. Tendon. Which of the following muscles is an antagonistic member of biceps brachii? Option D. Triceps is correct option. Insertion of biceps is on B. Radius. MCQs number 61. Which of the following statement is incorrect regarding to locomotion in euglena? B. Flagellum wrapping backward moving the organism forward and when moved forward the organism moving backward is incorrect about locomotion in euglena. Which of the following animals use setae and muscles for their locomotions? Earthworms. Option C is correct. Earthworms. Which of the following vertebrae have fish-like body? Amphibians. Option C is correct. Amphibians. Which of the following pairs of fins in fish body are paired? Pectoral and pelvic. Among the following reasons which show the best adaptation for locomotion? Reptiles. Which of the following is swiftest form of locomotion? Ungoligrid. Option C is correct. S-band locomotion is characteristically seen in cartilaginous fish.